Wrap the Teflon tape to the flare nut and connect the discharge and suction line to the respective flare nuts on both the indoor and the outdoor sides. Tighten the flare nuts properly so that there is no leakage due to flare gap. Remember, do not tighten the nuts very tightly. There is a danger of flare crack. Now dress all the pipes except the drainage pipe with a white tape. Then fix the other end of the flexible pipe to fresh air component and fix the fresh air component to the outdoor unit in standard position. In case if the distance between ODU and IDU is more than 5 meters, then fresh air component can be fixed accordingly. Place the clamps appropriately on the wall to fix the pipe firmly. Now fix the drain pipe clamp to the wall to ensure smooth drainage. In case a bucket is provided for drainage, then the drain pipe should not touch the bottom of the bucket. In this case, cut the drain pipe and bring it to an appropriate length. Now release the pressure from discharge line to check leakage on the flare nuts on both the indoor side and the outdoor side with a soap solution. If there is no leakage, clean the joints with clean cotton cloth. Now wrap the remaining copper pipe with insulation. And then wrap it with a white tape. Remember, the hole should be airtight and copper pipes should be properly insulated. Now connect the wirings from indoor at the PCB of the outdoor unit. Then connect the nitrogen cylinder to the flare nut outside . And flush the system. After flushing the system, evacuate the system with a vacuum pump for a minimum of 40 minutes. Release the gas from the outdoor unit in a step-by-step manner. First, from the discharge pipe and then from the suction pipe. Run the AC and carry out the following checks. Check the drainage of the unit by manually pouring water inside the indoor unit. Check the operation mode as per the instruction manual. Check for any abnormal noise from the unit. Check the AC operation through the remote controller. The temperature differential should be 10 to 15 degrees centigrade. Then demonstrate the main features on the remote to the customer. Also give tips for preventive maintenance to the customer, like how to clean the filter and how to clean the indoor unit body. Now clean the place so that the customer does not have any problem.